Developing in Modyo DX gives users a lot of flexibility. Front-end developers are able to update the functionality and design of their channels once they have a better understanding of how digital elements such as layout, widgets, templates, snippets, and content are all connected. A key ingredient that connects these platform elements is Liquid Markup. Liquid, similar to Mustache or Handlebars, is a templating language that allows web designers and developers to combine static and dynamic content. This means they can reuse static elements such as a layout while dynamically populating each layout with different content. For example, if you wanted to use a content endpoint such as in a widget or template for a post, you can dynamically reference all the elements of any post by using Liquid. Let's review an example. In this example post show view, we are seeing how a single template can dynamically display the information of every post. In the first H1 tag, we can see that we have the post.title, and underneath it a small tag containing post.createdAt with a format date filter. These are objects with properties made available by the platform in this template for posts. There are also common general Liquid objects and attributes used in every content endpoint, such as the site URL and the category.name. Liquid also allows for control flow and iteration of code. In this post index view, which displays all posts in a given category, we can see an if statement. If category.name equals press room. This statement will render all code below it and above the else tag here. Everything below the else will be rendered when the post category is not press room. Let's see what this looks like. Because we are displaying posts in the press room category, we are loading all code and markup in the if statement and displaying an image in the background. If we remove this category from the path, we can load all posts, or in other words, use the code after the else statement in our template, and now we see no image in the background. Developers can also iterate over object arrays or repeat blocks of code with for loops in Liquid. This is how our post index template is displaying every post matching a category, and why when we add a new post, it will appear automatically. Finally, Modyo contains a few reserved keywords, one of which is snippet. Snippets are sections of code that may be an entire framework or library such as Bootstrap or Axios, or could just be a single line. Anytime a view, snippet, or template uses the snippet keyword, it is invoking the code contained within that snippet. This allows developers to establish organized code structures and saves a massive amount of time by centralizing functionality within a snippet and then calling on that snippet whenever it's needed. So, developers can create a snippet once and then use it everywhere. You can learn more by checking our documentation or visiting modyo.com to learn more about how we scale digital solutions to millions of people.